Good morning, students. Welcome back to Shri Vasis Vidyalaya online class. I hope you're well, healthy, and fit at your home along with your family members. Today, I am going to guide students of class 12th. In this lecture, I am going to cover a healthy weight. It means what is the meaning of healthy weight, how we can understand this health is or this category of the health is known as healthy weight. Then we'll come on the next point, pitfalls of dieting. It means what are the disadvantages of dieting, food intolerance. Along with that, we'll come to know what are the myths in our society about food. Children, this topic is completely related with BMI, calculation of body mass index, dieting, and what are the myths related to food. As in the present scenario, the healthy weight, the fitness is on the great demand. We cannot exempt our fitness. We cannot avoid our fitness. And if the matter of fitness is coming, we cannot compromise the food which is going to help our fitness. So children, in my previous lecture, I explained about digestion and absorption of all nutrients. It means a body consists of all required nutrients: protein, carbohydrate, fats, minerals, vitamins, and water. So how these all the nutrients are absorbed and converted in energy, that you have already learned. We have to include all the nutrients as per the requirement of the daily task, but we cannot skip. We require some kind of energetic food, carbohydrate rich food. And as you are knowing that if carbohydrates are not digested in our body, that will be restored in our liver, and in liver it is again not utilized, it will be converted in fats. So if you are taking carbohydrates also which is more than as per the requirement of the body, will be also not helpful. It means that is also dangerous. So children, whatever we are going to take, we have to calculate in proper way, then only we can take and we can include in our diet. This statement I'll bring in your notice, children. The study and survey reported published in American National Institute of Health. They define what is a healthy weight. As per their recommendation, healthy weight is considered to be one that is between 19 to 25 range of body mass index. If the BMI is between 25 to 29, that will known as overweight, and if the BMI is 30 or greater than, the person is considered to be obese. Children, to understand BMI and to understand our ideal body weight, we must focus on the carbohydrates, intake of fats, intake of protein, and all the nutrients. As we know, in balanced diet, each and every nutrients are very important. We cannot skip any kind of nutrients from our diet. Same way, we are studying that some kind of foods are bodybuilding foods, that is protein rich food. Some kind of foods are energy giving foods, that is rich of carbohydrates and fats. And some kind of protective food, that is rich of vitamins and minerals. So here we are coming to know how we can maintain our body weight. So before calculation of BMI, first we have to understand whatever we have included in our meal and whatever we are eating day to day life, these all the things are good for us or not. So briefly let us understand, children, all the nutrients play vital role in our body. We cannot skip any kind of nutrition from our diet, but we have to take proper and balanced diet. In order to understand the components of foods and components of diet, we have to understand that whatever food we are taking, that food items are really helpful in our daily life. So we have to concentrate on these all the points. Before calculating your BMI, first you have to understand what height is 170 centimeter equal to 1.70 meters. Place the value in formula. After calculation, the value is coming 20.76. Now you can go through the range, find out whatever result came, it is falling in which range of body mass index. So if you'll see children, we can come to know that this is falling in ideal weight. Person is healthy and he has healthy body weight. Children, this is very useful calculation and we can collect the data. According to that, we can calculate BMI and we can suggest some kind of specific food program or specific meal. Students, I would like to discuss on the further point, that is healthy body weight. It means how you are going to maintain healthy weight. Healthy weight doesn't mean that you are becoming slim and trim. You don't have the stamina to perform the task without fatigue. So, in order to understand healthy weight, we have to consider some point. As I told, healthy weight doesn't mean you are becoming slim and trim, because health is wealth. If you have good health, you will be having good and healthy body weight. Your lifestyle and daily intake of food habits reflect your body weight. We all should perform at least 10 to 15 minutes exercise. Children, this is mindset of the people that they are carrying some kind of snacks or packed food, and whenever they required, they are using that. But it is fact, if you are using packed food or simple carbohydrate, that will give you instant energy but will be converted in fat. We must follow the right number of meal. It means we should take breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner in proper amount. Dieting is very famous term in present scenario. People are thinking through the dieting we can control the weight, but dieting is absolutely wrong notion for the healthy body weight. And dieting brings loss of energy, loss of efficiency of people and intake of calories through liquid, which deals for weight gain. And people are thinking I am following dietary plan, they are following the dieting. So in order to maintain dieting, they are avoiding exercise. But remember children, exercise is needful as we require food for our body, because as per the definition of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology, body is one kind of machine and this machine required some kind of exercise. In order to maintain work capacity of the body, we have to perform some kind of exercises every day, as we need food and water for our body. Many food myths are very famous in the society. That is, if you are eating potato, that will increase your body weight. If you are doing the exercises, that will increase your body weight, because the demand of the food will increase in our body. So these all are myths. Can maintain healthy body weight. So it is very important topic for our lifetime, because once we are falling sick, immediately after getting recovered, we are following the exercise. I hope you enjoyed in this lecture and I expect that you learn something from this lecture. Try to implement all the rules and regulations of food plan. Even you can suggest for your family and neighboring people and in the society. So I am going to conclude. I hope that you will be healthy, fit and happy. Thank you. We are meeting very soon after lockdown period. Thank you children. Have a nice time ahead.